About Us. Yushinshin Eatery was created to offer affordable, home-style Filipino meals for students, workers, and families looking for delicious food on a budget. Inspired by the idea of strength and balance, the name reflects the eatery's goals of serving meals with consistency, quality, and care. Known for its friendly service and comforting neighborhood vibe, Yishinshin Eatery continues to grow as a trusted spot for everyday meals, offering classic flavors, generous servings, and a welcoming environment.
Mission: to serve fresh, high-quality Filipino dish at budget-friendly prices, provide a warm and friendly dining experience, and maintain consistency, cleanliness, and good service in every way. Vision: to be trusted neighborhood eatery known for affordable, delicious Filipino meals and welcoming community atmosphere.
Seating capacity. Yishun Shin Eatery has a total seating capacity of 20 dinners at a time. With efficient table turnover, the establishment can accommodate 20 customers during lunch, 20 customers during dinner, giving a maximum of 40 covers per day. This setup ensures smooth customer flow, manageable service operations, and consistent food quality through each meal period. Ang Yishun Shin Eatery ay may 20 tao lang ang kayang maupo ng sabay-sabay. Ngunit dahil mabilis ang pag-alis at pagdating ng customer, kaya nilang maglingkod sa 20 tao sa tanghalian at 20 tao sa hapunan. Kaya sa buong araw, 40 katao ang pinakamataas na total na pwedeng pagsilbihan.
Today we will discuss our estimated daily sales report. From our day 1, our cover is 15 and our average check or average spent of customer each is 45. And to get the total sales, we multiply the covers and average check. And the total is 675. For our cash is 400 and for our charges or via a card is 275. And for our value-added tax, we multiply the 0.22 in our total sales. And equal to 148.50. And for our net sales, we subtract the total sales and the value-added tax, and the net sales is 526.50. And this is our total net sales for our daily sales report. 25,265.76.
Good day po everyone. Ang i-explain ko po ay sales bar yan. Ang month po natin ay January. Ang turnover rate po ng January ay 0.2. Ang actual cover nung 2021 ay 800. Then ang average check ay 35. Pag pinag-times ang 800 at ang 35, ang magiging total sales nung 2021 ay 28,000. Then ang cover sa 2022 ay 880. Average check sa 2022 ay 36.75. Pag pinag-times ang 880 at 36.5, ang magiging total sales sa 2022 ay 32,340. Ang total sales sa 2021 ay 658,850. Then ang total sales sa 2022 ay 824,209. Thank you.
For our sale forecast and financial report, This is our sale forecast. In the month of January, our protected turnover ratio is 0.3. Our maximum covers is 2,400. And our projected covers is 720. And our average check is 50 pesos. To get the total sales, we multiply the projected covers and average check equals to 36,000. And our total for the whole year is 702,400. And for the financial report, in the month of January, our turnover rate is 0.2, and our actual covers in 2021 is 800, and our average check is 35 pesos. And to get the sales, we multiply the actual covers and average check. And the equal is 28,000 pesos. And in 2022, our covers is 880 and our average check is 36.75 pesos. And we multiply again the covers and average check, and the total is 32,340. The total of our sales in 2021 is 658,850. And for our total sales of 2022 is 834,209. And if we differentiate the total sales, our sales increases than the past years. And for our budgeting, our food cost is 120,000. Inventory for raw materials, ito po yung mga ingredients namin. And for our labor cost is 80,000. Yung mga sahod po ng mga staff and or service crew. And for utility is 25,000. Ito po yung mga electricity, mga water, LPG. And miscellaneous is 15,000. Ito po yung mga additional na gastusin o yung other expenses. And for our budget sales variance report, our food cost is 120,000 and for the actual is 125,000. And for the variance is 5,000. For our labor cost, our budget is 80,000 and for the actual is 78,000 pesos. And the variance is 2,000 pesos. And utilities is 25,000 and our actual is 27,000. Our variance is 2,000. And for our rent is, our budget is 30,000 and our actual is 30,000. And zero variance because it's also the same. And for miscellaneous, our budget is 15,000 and our actual is 14,000. And variance is 1,000.
Good morning, good afternoon, and this is for our menu planning. Our example is chop suey. The ingredients of chop suey is start with oil, garlic, onion, pork liver, quail egg, carrots, cauliflower, broccoli, baggy beans, snow peas, cabbage, red bell pepper, chicken, soy sauce,
oyster sauce, cornstarch, salt and pepper. That's our ingredients. And to the unit cost and the portion size and how will it going to cost. For the oil, unit cost of oil is 120 pesos. The portion size is 0.02. The total cost of 2.40. And for our garlic, unit cost is 160 pesos, 0.01 portion size, and total cost of 1.60. And for our onion, 120 pesos for the unit cost and 0.02 of portion size, the total of 2.2 pesos and 40 centavos. And for our pork, the unit cost is 220 pesos. Portion size is 0.1. Cost will be 22 pesos. And for our pork liver, 150 unit cost. 0.05 portion size, total of 7.50 pesos of cost. And for our quail eggs cost about 10 pesos each, and the portion will be 5 pieces and total of each, and the portion will be 5 pieces and total of 50 pesos. And for our carrots, 80 pesos unit cost, 0.05 portion size and total of 4 pesos. And for our cauliflower is 90 pesos, 0.05 portion size, the total of 4.50 pesos. And for our broccoli is 100 pesos, portion size is 0.050, total cost of 5 pesos. Baguio beans cost about 70 pesos, and our portion size for beans is 0.5, total cost of 3.50 pesos. And for our snow peas, 140 pesos of cost, and portion size is 0.3, total of 4.20 pesos. And for our cabbage, 40% cost, and our portion size is 0.1, total of 4 pesos. And for our red bell pepper, 180 unit cost, and the portion size is 0.3, total cost of 5.40 pesos. And we have chicken, 150 per kilo, and portion size of 0.5, total cost of 7 pesos and 50 centavos. And we have soy sauce, 80 pesos. The portion size is 0.1, total of 0.80 centavos. And oyster sauce, 70 pesos, and also 0.1 portion size, total of 80 centavos. And for our salt, 15 pesos, and the portion size is 0.001, and total of just 2 centavos. And for our pepper is 220 per kilo, but we're going to use just 0.001 portion, total of 22 centavos. Cost details. The total cost is 125.37, and for the buffer, 10% is 12.54. Last food cost is 137.91. Serving cost per serving is 137.91. Food cost percentage is 40%. Selling price is 344.78 centavos. And that's all for our menu